can't wait to get to Vancouver. It finally feels like I'm doing something with my life. I feel like I'm not going to be scraping by, and I have a job when I get there. It's going to be absolutely perfect as far as I'm concerned. I don't have any stress right now, and I'm happy, and that's that. And right now I'm on a train from Toronto to Vancouver to go see my mother, who I haven't seen in 4 years due to a relatively ridiculous fight, but we've reconciled since. It's been relatively rough in the past 3 years. It's always scraping by for a pack of cigarettes, looking for the next job, looking for the next thing, and it's just too much all at once, especially when you want to help other people and you can't even help yourself. Between me, my mother, and Victoria, we've managed to scrape up enough money to get on the train and go to Vancouver. And the reason I was willing to spend all that money in the first place is because I have a job when I land. Apart from that, we're completely broke.
My nickname is Michael B. Vocabre. The trip I'm doing now, I've called it Michael Vocabre's Northern Railway Circumnavigation. I'm curious of what's going on here. I don't really know anything about central Canada. The railways, they keep the spirit of the road from the time there was carriages and so slow travel. In Russia, railways was basically Russia, and I guess the same with North America, it was shaped by railways. So if you look at Russian map, you'll see when there is railways, there's big cities. It's kind of like Russian, basically, landscape in the winter. And a lot of people move to Canada instead of the state because they're afraid that they won't get snow in the winter. Basically, in Soviet times, you don't have planes because they were really expensive, so everybody went by trains, and it was kind of still continued there. And you don't have buses because the roads are horrible, even in the capital.
As a child, I met my first train in Rossland in BC, and I was impressed. In every chance I got, I was going down to look at the trains. So therefore, having a trip on the train was very special. And I've sort of tuned out of airplanes now.
4.5 years ago was the last time I saw her. And I'm going there on this train today to go see her. I'm extremely excited. I don't know what to do with myself right now. Are we leaving? Are we ready?
Finally.
Oh man. Okay.
Nice. She was extremely nice. Very excited to see us. Very excited to meet me. It's pretty awesome. She seems like an extremely nice lady.
The last couple of years, we've been really actually getting quite close, despite the actual physical distance between us, and we've actually been quite close. And it's to the point now where I'm going to stay there for a few months. She has me set up with a job. I don't see anything but up right now. Everything's positive at the moment.
I'm a train like, oh girl. You know what, you're allowed to be. You're allowed to get happy and excited and cry all you want. I completely understand. I want to cry right now because you guys are so happy.
I finally feel like I have something to work towards, and that I'm not just scraping by and surviving and wondering where my next pack of cigarettes is coming from, wondering where my next meal is, when my rent's gonna get paid. I don't have to worry about any of that right now at all.